Thank
you, Grandma and Grandpa.
For what?
Thank you for all the beautiful prizes you got me.
All right, what are you going to do with them now?
I'm going to dress my dad right now.
Okay, get your dolly.
You open the shoes. You open the shoes.
Here, I'll open the shoes.
All right, get Clara.
Get Clara out.
Good girl, be I think they will fit her. I think they're made for her. All right, can you say thank you one more time?
Thank you.